Hello everyone. In this video, I'll tell you why I choose the US stock market to grow my wealth. Here are my top reasons. Reason number one, the US dollar. When you invest in the US, your money is in dollars. It's the world's strongest reserve currency. If you live in an emerging market with high inflation or an unstable local currency, this is a game changer. You get a double win. Your stocks can go up in value and your savings are protected from your local currency losing its power. I've kept my savings in dollars for a long time and the US market is where I've chosen to build my future. Reason number two, a robust legal system. The US has one of the strongest and most independent legal systems in the world. For investors, it's a safe haven. In the US, you can actually sue a giant corporation and you win if you're right. Is the system perfect? No. It can be slow, complex, and expensive, but it gives you the ultimate guarantee. Your assets won't be taken away by a phone call from above or a corporate raid. Your property rights are protected by law, not by politics. Reason number three, stability and long-term growth. Look at the S&P 500, an index of the 500 largest US companies. Historically, it has recovered from every single crisis, delivering an average return of about 10% per year. That's a track record very few other markets can match. Why does this happen? While many countries in Europe and Asia are shrinking, the US population continues to grow. This means more people, more innovation, and a constant demand for goods and services. Even with high interest rates in 2024 and 2025, the US economy stayed incredibly resilient. Every year, millions of new entrepreneurs start businesses here, refreshing the market with new ideas. In the US, the engine of growth never stops. Reason number four, high liquidity and low costs. In the US, you can buy or sell millions of dollars worth of shares in a single second. The gap between the buy and sell price, what we call the spread, is tiny. This makes it easy for both big funds and individual investors like you and me. But the best part, it's incredibly cheap. Most major US brokers don't charge anything for holding your account. No monthly maintenance fees regardless of your balance, low or even zero transaction fees. Today, free account ownership is the gold standard. You keep more of what you earn. Reason number five, investor protection. The US market is like a financial fortress. Here is why your money is safe. First, your assets are segregated. This means they are legally separated from the broker's own money. If a broker goes bankrupt, their creditors can't touch your shares. They belong to you and only you. Second, there is CPIC. CPIC is a non-profit corporation created by Congress, not directly government insurance, although it's often called that for simplicity. This is a safety net that protects you for up to $500,000 if your broker fails. And for larger investors, many firms offer excess CPIC, additional private insurance worth millions of dollars. Finally, the rules are strict. Regulators like the SEC and FINRA watch every move in real time. Public companies must show their math every 3 months. If a CEO lies in a financial report, they don't just get a fine. They can go to prison. In the US, investing isn't a game of roulette. It's the most secure financial system in the world. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Thank you. Now, here are more reasons why the US market is the best place for your money. Reason number 6, the global hub of innovation. The US is where the future happens first. Whether it's AI, semiconductors, or space travel, the world's most advanced technologies always start here. This market is always looking forward, which allows you to profit from the explosive growth of new industries. But it is not just about tech. The US attracts the brightest minds from all over the world. These talented people build stronger companies and better products. When you invest in the US, you are investing in the best ideas and the most talented people on the planet. Reason number 7. Everyone is incentivized for growth. In the US, everyone is in on your side. Why? Because of skin in the game. Top managers don't just get salaries. 80 to 90% of their personal wealth is usually in company shares. If the stock price drops, they feel the pain just as much as you do. Their fortune is tied to your success. But it's not just the bosses. From senior vice presidents to junior engineers, many employees receive stock options. Whether it's Apple, Google, or a fast-growing startup, people aren't just working for a paycheck. They are co-owners. They work harder because every success increases the value of their own portfolio. When you invest here, you're investing in a team of thousands who are all working to make the stock go up. Reason number 8. Dividend culture. Many American companies pay dividends regularly. Most of them pay you every 3 months. Some companies have increased these payments every year for decades. We call these companies dividend aristocrats. Reason number 9. Many choices. You can invest in many things like stocks, ETFs, and bonds. This variety helps you build a plan that fits your goal and risks. Also, you can find thousands of international companies from many countries. You can invest in huge global brands or smaller growing businesses. Reason number 10. Global dominance and scale. The US stock market makes up over 40% of the entire global market value. When you buy US stock, you are investing in the leaders that set the rules for the whole world. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, and Nvidia. These giants don't just make money in the US. They make money in almost every country on earth. This gives you automatic geographic diversification. You're not just betting on one country, you are betting on global winners. There are over 2,500 companies in the US worth more than $1 billion. That means thousands of opportunities to grow your wealth. I find these assets and break them down right here on this channel. Please subscribe now so you don't miss out on the next big opportunity. Reason number 11. The global investing boom. The US market is a magnet for capital for every corner of the world. In the past, investing was only for a small group of experts, maybe 10 or 50% of the population. But today, investing has become a basic life skill for everyone. Think about this. Over 150 million people worldwide now use mobile apps to trade every single day. Private investors like you and me now account for 25% of all trading volume. That's more than double what it was 20 years ago. The world's capital flows toward the strongest brands and the biggest leaders, and most of them are right here in the United States. You don't want to be left behind while the rest of the world is building wealth. Join the movement. For me, these reasons made the choice obvious. Knowing why to invest is no longer a secret, but knowing how to do it right. That's exactly what I'm here to show you. I'll be sharing my years of experience to help you navigate this market. This is just the beginning. Thank you for watching and good luck with your investments.